Welcome to IMS. I'm Charlie. We're down here in Shakopee. We're heading in door number 200 to check out what we got going on in the facility. Follow me. So right here is where we keep most of our material. You can see everything's here with a yellow piece of paper on it. That's IMS owned material. We take that material and we dynamically nest it so we can get the best material usage, which gives you, the customer, the best price. So we've got all sorts of different material types and thicknesses. We've got mild steel, we've got stainless, we've got galvanized, aluminized, titanium, you name it, we've got it here. And this is really where the magic starts happening. We've got two lasers. We've got an 8,000 watt fiber laser. We've got a 4,000 watt fiber laser. We load the material up in our tower here, and this tower system shuttles to both of our lasers back and forth. It automatically loads, it automatically unloads, so we can be running 24/7, 365 if we need to. Follow me over here to the lasers. You can check this out. So this is where Kevin, our main man at the laser, really gets the magic working. He's nesting parts, he's transacting jobs over here, he's shuttling material to each laser. Let's check out the 4K and the 8K cutting. So you can see right here we've got our tool path, and the 4K is cutting away right now. This is one of our older machines. We got the newer 8K right over here. Like I said, again, these machines are state-of-the-art, best machines money can buy, and we're running them as hard as we possibly can. So we've got the tool pathing up here on the screen and the laser's cutting away, and we're just go, 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 go.